Hello guys, and welcome back to my wife's channel Ride With Me. As you've seen in her past video, we've collected our brand new Triumph Rocket 3 R Black limited edition from our dealership. This is only 1,000 pieces worldwide. Amazing bike, we were so excited to get it, so let's start with the review. But before, I'd like to thank so much my wife to accompany me in that brilliant and exciting project of getting that new Triumph Rocket 3. So here we are, out of the dealership, ready to go for the first ride all the way to our place nearby the seashore. So let's start. What will you see in this video? Well, how does it look to sit and go? How does it look like from a pedestrian point of view? How addictive is the exhaust sound? How does it look trendy getting off the Rocket 3R? We will also have a close look at the bike and see the amazing transformation in matte black, black and black and black edition. I'll take this opportunity to explain why I decided to purchase that bike in black matte edition. Finally, you'll get to see the Rocket 3R in motion on the highway. Enjoy the video, and as my beautiful wife says, please do not forget like and subscribe. She'll be so pleased. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below. As you can see on those shots of the bike, she has been all blacked out in a very refined way. I have to admit that not only the Triumph Rocket 3R looks massive and muscular, but every mechanical parts look amazing. Some pieces of luxury assembled together. Whether you look at the left side or at the right side of the bike, it looks great. The engine looks super massive. When you sit on the bike, it feels huge, like a monster, but somehow you feel secure. It is a point you really need to pay attention to, this sense of security with the well-known efficiency of the Brembo brake, and the fact that the torque is huge even at very low RPM makes you think you are in a slow motion while you already reached the moon. At highway speed, the wind has a very limited impact on the rider. Again, it participates in that feeling that you are riding at low speed. On the way back from the dealership, we decided to make a quick stop on the parking lot of Supermarket nearby. As soon as I got off the bike, not less than a dozen people maybe came around and have a look at the bike. They wanted to chat about it. All people, young people, male, female. Some people knew about the bike, the Rocket 3, some didn't, but it looks so massive, impressive, and with so much character from this blacked out matte color, everyone wants to come and talk to you about that bike and share some time with you. So honestly, that was really cool. As you probably know, the rear tire is a wide and fat 240. Some people might think that the bike is difficult to handle because of that rear tire size. I have to say no, especially at low speeds in traffic jam. You have a great sense of stability and feels you secure. Also in the very tiny roundabouts, I have found no difficulties to go around them. At higher speeds, somehow you just forget about that fat tire, and the bike is very easy to handle. It's dynamic, it's really a great feeling, so really no trouble with that. Above all, that very fat white tire looks great. It adds up a lot of character to that bike, and people are amazed with it, so cool. The black is mentioned on the fuel tank. This is specific to the black matte limited edition of the Rocket 3, and that really sets the tone. The TFT screen on that limited edition is the same one as for the other editions of that Rocket 3 or the CC bar is an option here, but as you can see, it is black here, and that came at no extra cost, so that was a good surprise. The Avon Cobra Chrome tires has been specifically designed for the Rocket 3. Brembo brakes on front, Brembo brakes on the back, and that's a necessity for that bike, but it's very efficient. As you can see down below, we've equipped our bike with a quick shifter up and down, and I have to say it works very well. And when you use it while accelerating, it just gives you this continuous massive torque all the way, and this is so much fun when you ride the bike. And to the question, why did we decide to choose this bike? Well, we already own a Harley Davidson Breakout, which is a very atypical, badass, nice, sweet bike. In that range, we thought that the Rocket 3 R Limited Black Edition has its scarcity and singularity that makes it great to have in the garage. So yeah, is it the best bike to go traveling? Maybe not. Is it the best bike to go on a racing track? Maybe not. But still, brilliant, nice looking bike, so great to have in this garage. As I mentioned to you before, the white tire really helps to keep stability at low speeds and makes it very easy to ride during traffic jam. lots of presence on the road. I'll let you enjoy a few videos on the highways. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and as my beautiful wife says, please do not forget to like and subscribe. She'll be so happy. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below. See you guys.